let's do this.
Okay, so in today's video I will be reviewing the Catrice eyeshadow palette Pro Lavender Breeze. It is a palette with 14 eyeshadows in purple tones, but you will also find some earthy tones in it. It comes from the latest Pro series and all the shadows have a different finish. With this palette you can create any makeup look from day to night, and the colors will work with any skin color. And in addition, the palette includes a convenient mirror that will work well during travels and trips. So I've already primed my lids, and for that I used this Laura Mercier Vanilla Kiss eyeshadow stick. It is a beautiful creamy eyeshadow and it works perfect for priming your eyelids. And now from the Pro palette Lavender Breeze, I will take the shade Elegant and I will apply it with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush all over my eyelid and bring it towards my brow bone. And this is going to be like my transition color. Next color will be Lover, and this is going to go right into my crease. And the color Deep will go right into my outer corner. Now a Dreamer will go to my lower lashes. And with my finger I will take Lilac and apply it all over my eyelid. And on the inner corner of my eyes, I will apply Dazzling. So now it's time to curl some lashes. And I will complete this look by using my all-time favorite telescopic mascara from L'Oreal, and I will apply it on the upper and lower lashes as well. And this is the final look using this Pro Slim eyeshadow palette, Lavender Breeze from Catrice. I am totally obsessed with the shade Lilac and Deep. They're like my favorite so far. This is a palette that I will be definitely using in the future to create more looks, because I really want to try the other shades as well. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like this palette and the look that I have created today. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know every time that I post something new. And I do hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!